Hi everybody, how are you? It's so nice to greet you again. Today I have a lucky bamboo pattern that I designed for mass adapter. I present it special for you. Well, for your information, this is a very simple pattern. It is made of 8 pairs of incomplete double crochet stitches surrounded by 16 extended picot stitches. This is what it looks like. This is the front side, and now let me show you how to make this adorable pattern. The central material I'm going to be using for creating these adorable patterns or yarn. This one is a Nona brand. Crochet hook number 7. This one is tulip brands. You can use any type of crochet hook as long as it's suitable with your yarns. 2 button at the pastry needles and a pair of scissors. Firstly, make slip knot. Then make 3 chains, 4 incomplete double crochet in chain 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now complete these stitches. Make 3 chains, turn the work, then find out the chain stitch have just made and make 4 more incomplete double crochet in the chain stitch. 2, 3, 4, then complete the stitches. Make chain 3 again, turn the work, find out the chain space, then make 4 incomplete double crochet in the chain space. 3, 4, grab the yarn, pull it through all loops, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then the work, make 4 incomplete double crochet in the chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, pull it through all loops. Okay, now 2 pairs of incomplete double crochet patterns are done, so we'll make 6 more pairs to complete these patterns. Okay, this is what it looks like. There are 8 pairs altogether. Let me show you how to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pairs of incomplete double crochet. Okay, now I'm going to make rounds of an extended picot stitch. I'll begin with chain 3. Okay, I will make slip stitch here. I call this extended picot stitch. I don't know how to call this. Make chain 3, then I make 1 incomplete single crochet in each of these chains. Okay, then yarn over, pull it through all loops and make slip stitch in the same space. And this is what the patterns look like. So to make another extended picot stitch, begin with chain 3, slip stitch in the space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, make 1 incomplete double crochet, incomplete single crochet in each of these 2 stitches, 1, 2, yarn over, pull it through all loops, another slip stitch in the same space. 2 patterns are now done. For the third one, start with chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in the space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 incomplete single crochet in each of these 2 stitches. 1, 2, you never pull it through all loops, and another slip stitch in the same space. Okay, you just need to repeat this pattern until you arrive at the edge of this mouse adapter. Okay, when you arrive here, or after you make the last picot, like extended picot stitch of the other side of this pattern, you just need to make 6 chains. This is 5, we'll add 1 more, 6, then make a slip stitch in this space. Then repeat the extended pattern for a picot stitch. Make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 incomplete single crochet in each of these 2 stitches. 1 and 2, you never pull it through all loops. Make a slip stitch in the same space. Okay, do the same again. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, make 2 or make 1 incomplete single crochet in each of these 2 stitches. There are 3 loops in the hook, you never pull it through all loops, and make another slip stitch in the same space. Okay, the third one, 1, 2, 3, begin with 3 chains, slip stitch, 3 chains again, 1, 2, 3, make 1 incomplete single crochet in each of these 2 stitches. You'll never pull it through all loops, slip stitch in the same space. Okay, now repeat these patterns to complete this part until you arrive here. Yes, you just need to repeat the same pattern. Okay, when all here, okay, I've got to say that this is the last extended picot stitch. Firstly, make chain 3, slip stitch in the last chain space, chain 3, and make the last extended picot stitch by making 2 or 1 incomplete single crochet in each of these 2 chains. You'll never pull it through all loops. Make a last slip stitch in the same space. Okay, we are here. You just need to slip stitch and on the top of the last incomplete double crochet. Then make 14 chains to the hooker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Another slip stitch in the same space. Okay, it's a bit tricky here. 1 more slip stitch to complete the pattern. Okay, now it's ready. I will cut the yarn. Well everyone, this is what it temporarily looks like. Finally, I will attach the buttons on the both edge of this mouse adapter, and I will sew the button using this yarn tail. Finally, cut the yarn. Okay, now the lucky bamboo pattern for mouse adapter is now ready. This is what it looks like. It's so adorable. Well, everyone, if you have something to say about these patterns, don't forget to leave your comment below and I'll be very excited to respond. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you again on the next video. Have a good day.